Righto guys, welcome back. I'm in the river today and I'll be chasing tailor. I'm going to be using pretty much light outfit with a medium sized reel, nothing too flash, probably about 10-15 pound leader. I'm going to be start off with the smaller lures, double clutches, and then might even get to the bigger ones in case there's a few bigger spines, specimens of tailors. So enough flip flop, let's get out, see if we can get some fish tucker. Alright, so I've got my brand new lure out here. I'm just going to clip it on. I've got these clips on. I always forget the names. There are other different types. It's probably a bit too big, but that's alright. I'll give that a shot. It's got a bit of a rattle. It's good for casting, but I'm actually going to be trolling today. And yeah, it looks like a nice day. The wind's going to pick up later on. There's no sign of any birds, but that's alright. Doesn't mean there's no fish out here. Just started. So we'll try off with the one lure first. See how that goes. Let's put that over here. I should put it at the front so I can see it. There we go. Just troll probably about 3 to 4 knots on that kind of lure. There's a couple of birds flying around the place. It's always a good sign. They can see little bait movements. Hopefully there's tailor underneath them. Got over there. That's a good sign. Alrighty. So it looks like it's fish on. Actually on the surface. No, I actually cast out another line there. Sure, I just hope I didn't really cross it. It's good size. I think it's fair hooked. Yeah, it's fair hooked and it's on the other side of the boat. Keep the pressure on Dom. No, this should be right. The only thing is if I could put it underneath my other line. Come on. It's better. Whoop. Oh, it's good size. I should put my net here, but too late to see. Oh, yep. Oh, that's good. Awesome. Nice tailor. Just come around that corner there, came off. It might be a keeper. I haven't caught these tailors for months. We're just chasing other fish. Let's give him a little measure. He might just make the grade. No, it wasn't truly 32 centimetres. There's definitely a keeper here in Perth. 30 centimetre choppers. Or bluefish in other states. I'll bleed him, put him under ice. Perfecto. Perfect. Cast it behind the boat. Right, so this one here went off. I'm actually glad I took off that Howco and I put in, oh there he is. There's a bit of a small chopper. Good fight, good fun. Look. Nice. Nice. Got him just underneath the chin. Alrighty. He doesn't quite make the grade. There you go. Nice tailor. Thanks, buddy. I actually went over that same spot. I caught the first one. It's on the edge of a drop off. It actually worked out. They hang around in schools, obviously, almost in the same spot. Can be time consuming, you know, be waiting around, but you know, you see those rods buckle down. It's pretty exciting. It's good. Well, I enjoy this kind of relaxation, fishing in the river. The ocean is a bit too rough today, and yeah, this Perth Swan River, it really produces. There's good fishing to be had here. If you're over here in Perth, Western Australia. Get out and give it a shot. Oh, there you go. Look. There's me flicking my gums. We've got the fish on. Another good medium sized one. There you go. Oh, it's good size. Coming up there for the water. Coming on the boat. Oh, yep. There's another good size, this one here. Bad thing is, the lure's stuck around me equipment on the on the boat. Anyway, he's a good size. Yeah, so he's gone 34. He's actually getting a better size. So another fish for the tucker box. Absolutely perler. Beautiful. Just waiting for that rod to buckle. It's the name of the game. We've got the other one over here. See on the sounder here, just been going around this edge, 2.5 meters. Oh, there's a big splash here. Wonder what that was. Yeah, so I think actually there's dolphins here, which means I need to move away. So we've been trolling around for at least an hour and just no bites in this area. So I think I might go over where I did catch a few this morning. About time. And I was really cranking up the speed because I want to get out of this chop and this wind. And this here just took off. Well, it didn't take off, it's bent down. It's good size, I think. This time I've got the landing net, so I don't want to have any mucking around. Get my lure tangled up in anything on the boat. Nice fish. Whoop. Alrighty. Oh yeah, he's a good size, this one. That's a better size, that one. Alrighty. Right, so that came off good. He's still chewing on the net. Measure him up. Yeah, so the fish are getting bigger. That's 35 centimeters. They're the kind of tailors I actually like getting. You know, mid-30s. So that's bloody awesome. There's a fair few whitecaps happening here. We are in the river. Just imagine how it was going to be out in the ocean. We're punching through it. Medium chop. It's going to get worse. It's alright. Right. This one here and off. Seems to be a small one. I just got to keep the boat moving because this wind is just playing havoc. Let's have a look here. I know it's not too bad. Quickly. Whoa. She's a very nice fish. It's definitely going in the bag. 31. Right, so just showing you the lure action underwater. See how it's moving. That's pretty good. I think I just resort to the one rod. For some reason that one is the only one that's getting hit. It's too much. Oh, there you go, hit again. Woo! Hit again. So, I don't know if you call them honey holes. I'd say it's a school of tailor around here. Now, this is a lot smaller one. I can feel it already. It's not that giving me much curry at all. Great fun. Where is he? Yeah, he's a jumper too. That lure is just going so well. Awesome. Almost stop and start casting. There's a lot of bird action happening here. Must be a lot of bait fish. It's a good sign. I'm just going to troll right through it. See what the commotion is all about. There's a fair bit. Yeah, a lot of bait fish. It's good. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. So that one there, telltale signs. Little fish on. There you go. Follow the birds and you'll get the fish. I'm just going to slowly move it. Oh, see a good size? I think so. It's got my other line out there too. Oh. Yeah, it's good size, this one. Alright, so now I can come on this side. Maybe it's a good size, who knows? Could be just a standard chopper. Oh, yep. Yeah, so he's just in. Just made the grade. Brilliant. Now there's a fair few fish out here, so I might actually have a bit of fun and whoop, change the lure. I've already got him set up. There you go. Nothing flash. Let's see if this one's still on or not. No, I don't think it's. Oh, it's actually on, yeah. It's actually on. Whoop. It's a bouncer. It's definitely a school around here. Oh, it's actually a good size. Nice flash. Up you go. Yeah, it's probably one of the better fish I got today. Good size tailor. I'm trying to keep it at one fish a day for the next week. Awesome, good fish tucker. So now I've got my my dinner and lunch ready. Let's play games with these fish. Alrighty, so this is cast. Try and avoid the birds and just retrieving. So you see the splash, bang, start reeling up. Hopefully, there you go, straight away. Bada bing. Oh, that's awesome. Bada bing. So there's definitely a big school here. I wouldn't say great fish. Oh, there you go. Oh, look, now I realise it's on. Oh, come on, mate. It's actually quite easy to bring up, hook up. It's a good size too. Woo! Beautiful fish. She's gone 32. Alrighty, come around this side here. Birds are still around the place. Bang. Hey, there we go. Woo! There we go. It's come off, I think. Is he on? Yeah, on or off? There we go. Star's still on. Maybe he's through towards the boat. There he goes. Yep, I'm going to Dom. I'm going towards the fine specimen. There you go. Perth River Tailor. Cast a bit forward up, away from the birds. There we go, straight away. Straight away. Oh, hang on. Oh, yeah. Lovely. Thanks, mate. So I got a nice bag, 7 tailors, all great size, and yeah, let's see you home for the cook-up. Time for the cook-up. I'm just going to be doing very simple tailor fish cooked up. I've already cut the skin here on either side. Just going to lightly salt it up and a bit of pepper and some plain flour. Got a big pan, frying pan with some olive oil. Yeah, if it's done spit on this side here, means, oh, that is nice. That's why I put plain flour on top with that nice crust. Just squeeze some lemon juice on the flesh too. Looking pretty good. There you go. Yeah, so when it starts to collapse like that, you know it's ready. See that? That looks delicious. Just gives a taste. Good, absolutely fantastic. Fresh tailor, nothing wrong with it. Bit more salt, bit of herbs, spices if you want. Otherwise, simple tailor for dinner. See you next time. Take it easy. You know what to do if you liked it. Cheers.
Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, the fish, tucker, man.
Now I can comb my hair with this.